How's it going everyone, Space Life Self-Sufficiency here. So in this episode, my girlfriend got me these shaggy ink caps. She found them on the side of the road, just on a normal grass verge. And yeah, they're in really good condition, apart from one of them which was a little bit older than I thought, so I did save that behind to try and make some ink, and I'll be showing you that later on. But I just wanted to show you how I like to cook these, and usually I keep it quite simple, just a little bit of butter just to fry them off. And you can just have them on their own or just as a side to something, but I thought I'd do something a little bit different in this one. I found these chestnuts, so I thought I'd try roasting them off in the air fryer. Then once these are done, put them to one side, and then it's time to start on your potato wedges. And chop them up, and we're going to keep them quite simple, just a bit of oregano, salt and pepper, and paprika, and a little bit of olive oil. And then once they're cooking away, it's time to start on your crispy fajita wrap. And this is also going to be pretty simple, kind of the same touches, just a little bit of paprika, a little bit of salt, and then a little bit of olive oil just to crisp them up nicely in the pan. Then after that we're going to make a little bit of garlic mayo, and I'm chopping up some celeriac leaf just to give it a little bit of colour. And then you're ready to start putting this together. And this is going to be one of the most delicious meals I've had in a while. These are actually my favourite mushrooms, and I really can't wait to try this. You can see I do approve. So here you can see I left one of the ink caps in a bowl overnight, and it kind of dissolved itself and turned into this crazy ink. And there's a reason they're called shaggy ink caps, and that's because they used to actually use this ink thousands of years ago, so I thought I'd bring it back to its old glory days and give it a try. So don't forget to like and subscribe.